Here we have three variables with three equations. To solve for x, y, and z, I'm going to be using two equations at a time to eliminate one of the variables. First, I'm going to be taking the first equation and the second equation, write them on top of each other like this, and I'm going to add up and down, where the x and the negative x will cancel each other out. Negative 2y and the 3y will give us positive y, and since we have a 0 right here, we have 3z coming straight down. And on the right side, 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, I'm going to be using the first equation once again, and the third equation this time to eliminate the variable x. To get rid of the x, I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 2, so that negative 2 times x will give us negative 2x, which will cancel out with the positive 2x. So if I take the negative 2, distribute it into the parenthesis and also the right side of the equal sign, we get this, negative 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals negative 18. If I add up and down, negative 2x and the 2x will cancel each other out. 4y, negative 5y give us negative y. Negative 6z and the plus 5z gives us negative z equals negative 1 on the right side. I'm going to drag this equation along and then put it right underneath here, where we get y plus 3z equals 5. And once again, I'm going to use the elimination method to solve or eliminate the y. So I'm going to add up and down, negative y and the y will cancel each other out. And we get negative z plus 3z will give us 2z equals 4, or z equals 2. Now that we have the value of z, we could go ahead and take that 2, plug it into here or here to solve for the value of y. So we get negative y minus 2 equals negative 1, negative y equals 1, or y equals negative 1. Now that we have the value of z and the y, we could plug it into any of the equations that we started with to solve for x. Since we have y equals negative 1, I'm going to plug it in here into the second equation, where we get negative x plus 3 times negative y equals negative 4. Negative x equals negative 1. X equals 1. So our final answer is going to be 1 for x, negative 1 for y, and 2 for z.